Hello friends and welcome to the Architecture Enthusiast. The architectural journey of James Stirling is a tale of two significant partnerships, each distinct in its contribution to the fabric of 20th century architecture. The first, with James Gowan, was marked by a groundbreaking exploration into new forms and ideologies. The second, with Michael Wilford, ventured further into the realms of postmodernism, pushing the boundaries of architectural expression. The architectural narrative of James Stirling and James Gowan's partnership is a striking chapter in the history of modern architecture, marked by a brief but intensely creative period that yielded some of the most provocative and innovative buildings of the mid-20th century. Their collaborative efforts, though lasting less than a decade, produced work that remains influential for its bold experimentation with form, materiality, and spatial organization, contributing significantly to the Brutalist movement and beyond. Leicester University Engineering Building, 1959 to 1963. The partnership's magnum opus, the engineering building at the University of Leicester, stands as a landmark of post-war British architecture. This building is a composition of contrasting volumes, the heavy, cantilevered lecture theatres juxtaposed against the vertically soaring tower. The workshops, with their distinctive diamond-shaped glass and concrete facade, are a testament to Stirling and Gowan's innovative approach to architectural skin and technology. Functionality is worn as a badge of honor, with services, structure, and circulation all expressed explicitly, challenging the Mesian glass box that dominated the era's architectural landscape. Cambridge University History Faculty Building, 1964 to 1967. While the History Faculty Building at Cambridge University was completed after Gowan's departure, it was conceived during their partnership and exhibits many of their shared architectural ideologies. The building is characterized by its unique roof and service tower, which houses an intricate system of mechanical services. It is a building that prioritizes the library as the heart of the academic environment, with reading rooms elevated on a podium and encased in a glass shell, symbolizing the transparency and flow of knowledge. Hem Common Flats, 1955 to 1958. Prior to their iconic work in Leicester, Stirling and Gowan's Hem Common Flats in London showcased their early interest in residential design and modern living. The flats are an exercise in blending modern materials and construction techniques with human scale and comfort, displaying a mastery over domestic space that would inform their larger institutional projects. Andrew Melville Hall, University of St Andrews, 1964. Although the building was completed after the dissolution of their partnership, Andrew Melville Hall was designed during their collaboration. This student residence hall is another example of their brutalist approach to university buildings. Its striking facade is composed of precast concrete fins that provide privacy while allowing light into the student rooms. The building is arranged as two linear blocks, linked by a central dining hall, creating a strong internal community while also engaging with the wider university environment. The legacy of Stirling and Gowan. Together, Stirling and Gowan crafted buildings that were both of their time and ahead of it. Their work was marked by a fearless approach to scale and form, an insistence on expressing the inner workings of a building, and a responsiveness to the program that defied conventional norms. They questioned the prevailing orthodoxy of modernism, not to discard it but to extend its possibilities. Their buildings stand as physical manifestos of their architectural belief system. A belief in the expressive power of architecture, in the importance of context and history, and in the role of innovation as a driving force for design. The partnership's end did not diminish the impact of their collaboration. Instead, it underscored the intensity of their short-lived alliance and the lasting mark it left on the trajectory of modern architecture. Through their practice, Stirling and Gowan articulated a vision of architecture that was unapologetically expressive, technically innovative, and profoundly human. Their buildings are not static monuments but dynamic spaces that continue to inspire and challenge architects and scholars. The narrative of their partnership is a testament to the enduring power of bold, thoughtful architecture to reflect the complexities of its time and to shape the future of its surroundings.